There's robots everywhere.
Yeah.
This is Greg Orloff with IIoT World, and we're here at the last day of the Automate show. And I'm here with Rizo Itakura, and he is the Chief Operating Officer of LexxPluss.
Yes.
Welcome.
Yeah, hello, Greg.
So tell us a little bit about what you guys are featuring here, Rizo. We got autonomous robots. So
Okay, yeah, so we are the startup in Japan, founded in 2020. Then our product is the autonomous mobile robots, Lex 500. And now we are featuring more on the Lex stack, which automates the cart pulling process within the manufacturing and logistics facilities.
So what are some of the challenges you see when you're trying to integrate this type of a robot into an existing operation?
Yeah, we are kind of focusing on several challenges. So typically, customer has to spend a lot of money other than AMRs when they are automating the intra-logistics process, such as when they are introducing the platform AMRs into the facility, they have to change the cart itself. If they are having like 100,000 of carts already, they have to change them all the way. So there's going to be additional expense for that. Then also they might have to change the systems to manage all the vehicles. And they might have to build up the systems to talk with the existing system as well. Then we try to eliminate those additional expense by adding this type of interface. We do also provide the APIs for the interaction with upper management systems, and our system can directly talk with PLC as well. So PLC is commonly used in all the manufacturing environment. So when the manufacturing equipment finishing producing some, the bolts or nuts or whatever, when it's ready, just tell our system that it's ready, then our robot can go and pick it up automatically. So we try to automate that without any additional investment.
So the system will basically come in like it's doing right now. It'll dock itself on the cart, then it will take the cart to whatever predetermined route.
Exactly, yeah.
Got it. Now, have you used these in your own facility? Because I know you're trying to sell these out into other organizations.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, we are doing a bunch of tests and using all the things in our facility too. But luckily, we do have some use cases in Japan already. So yeah, we are kind of pushing forward this one.
Excellent, excellent. So your background is in automation as well, correct?
My background is mostly in logistics. This is the third year of the automation industry, but my kind of passion is always against the material handling. So yeah, I have more than 20 years of the material handling experience.
Got it. So what are some of the advantages that AMRs offer organizations, like for maybe some of the smaller manufacturing companies, small, medium-sized enterprises?
For customer standpoint?
Yeah, from a customer's perspective.
Yeah, from customer standpoint, the beauty of AMR is the flexibilities. So flexibility means a lot. We don't have to, the customer does not start from huge number of units. They can start from one unit to investigate the best way to, design their own factory inter-logistics flow. The other thing is that the flexibility in terms of the route that AMR can go through. So when it's being like a conveyors or conventional AGVs, all the routes has to be predetermined and has to be one single connected route. Whereas the AMR can be more flexibly design the route in between multiple locations. So that should give them the flexibility of the connectivities and also the changes foreseeing the future, because customer is kind of shifting their interest all the time.
Sure, that makes a lot of sense. Well, if somebody wants to get a hold of the folks here at LexxPluss, we'll put a link into the video so that you can reach out and investigate the world of AMRs. Well, thank you, Rizo.
Thank you.